Good morning. First one of the day. New client with his recently acquired Moto Guzzi V85 Strada. This is going to get one of our full works new bike packages. We're going to do a snow foam safe wash to remove any contaminants. We'll then get it in the workshop. I am going to airbrush the signature 4K ceramics on every nook and cranny of this. The wheels, motor, and this matte finish, satin finish bodywork is going to get a nice coating of the signature 4K ceramic, making sure to keep this bike properly protected for years to come. It'll help with any minor scratches like on the windscreen. Desperately needs it on this matte finish. You don't want any staining on that, which they do stain. We will put some XCP clear coat on all the center stand, side stand, any nuts and bolts that I think need that little bit of extra protection, especially over these winter months. God knows what they put on the roads nowadays, but it is terrible for your bike. So first step, we're going to get this all washed, snow foam safe wash, just to remove any contaminants. Then we'll get it in the studio, get it on the bench. We'll blow dry it, making sure to remove any moisture, and then we'll crack on with some detailing. She's pretty dirty. He has put some extra little mud flaps on there, which will help in the future. But let's get it cleaned, get it in the studio, and like I said, we'll crack on with some detailing. Okay, cracking on with the decontamination stage on this Moto Guzzi. Look at this. I don't know why Guzzi just doesn't leave this black. See that? It's already started to deteriorate. Gonna have to lightly sand that and polish it. Moto Guzzi, just leave that black. Okay, fully washed, decontaminated, and detarred. Had quite a bit of tar spots all down the front. He's obviously been on some newly paved roads, but now time to blow dry it, making sure to remove moisture from any switch gear, any electrical bits. So we've got a heated blow dryer. Let's get all this moisture gone. Okay, just putting the finishing touches on this stunning Moto Guzzi. Like I said, this is getting one of our full works packages. So this has had everything thrown in it. I've just airbrushed the signature 4K ceramic on all the lower half. We've applied it by hand on all the bodywork. I was just letting that cure, buffing it off. Look, it leaves a nice sheen on that matte finish. Now fully protected. All your switch gears, everything's been misted with the ceramic. We then got the XCP clear coat out. I brushed a little bit on all the banjo bolts, nuts and bolts. I did mist it on the lower half of the motor, the center stand, so that's had double protection. Bit of ceramic and a nice bit of XCP clear coat. So this bike's now fully protected. She was pretty filthy, to be honest. It is a newish bike, but had lots of grit and bits all up underneath. So that's all been cleaned, all been coated. Now to get that windscreen back on, I did polish that windscreen, just putting a second coating of the ceramic on there. Just helps to prevent any little scratches in the future. Get that seat on, get that screen on, and this Guzzi is ready to be collected. There you go, 3 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This Moto Guzzi has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Fully protected now, signature 4K ceramic on every nook and cranny, and XCP clear coat on all the lower half. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.